we've got blizzard conditions here in Michigan and across a lot of the United States. Let's see what we got out here. Mostly I think it's just because the snow's so fluffy. I mean, it's so cold that makes the snow so fluffy, and you get the wind. But as you can see, you can't see that far. Really, the snow amounts aren't anything that crazy. I think like I said, it just comes down to the fact that it's cold and makes the snow fluffy, and then it's windy. Alright, so I'll just take you up to the road so you can really see what it looks like if you're driving around. There's hardly any traffic on the roads today. Most people are staying in. And that is the road right up ahead here. So there's the road up there. As you can see, it's pretty bad once you get by the road and away from the woods of our property. It's so open here. It's really bad here by the road. There's the other direction. Can't really see if cars are coming. I'm on the road right now. Just don't want to get hit. It's pretty horrible, eh? Pretty bad. Right now it kind of died down a little bit, but it gets worse. The wind kind of died down. As you could see a little while ago, it was real bad. That wind picked up and it was real hard to see anything. So yeah, that is the blizzard here in Michigan.